Today we're blending portrait photography with starry dreamscapes. Begin by cleaning the portrait and darkening the background. Add star fields using astronomy images or dotted brushes. Blend them through screen mode. Add gentle stardust trails flowing around hair or shoulders using soft glitter brushes. Introduce color tones like deep indigo, rose gold, or pale silver to unify the cosmic theme. Add faint lens flares for magical highlights. Apply mild Gaussian blur to distant stars for depth. Your portrait becomes a celestial fantasy full of sparkle and mystique.
Let's bring the universe into your artwork.